as I grew up, it was kind of always there, the creative side of it. As said, as a kid, always shown to it, and I took that into secondary. But I feel like the real, almost realisation of what I could do came when I came to college. That was the main solidifier and initial realisation, oh, I can actually do this, and oh, I actually want to do this as a future career. I'm Eloise. I'm from the Art and Design course here at Lewes. It's my second year here. I think that a lot of my work people wouldn't necessarily call joyful or appealing, but to be honest, I kind of want that atmosphere and look. For me, I when I'm looking at art myself, I like a piece that I can look at and wonder about the process, wonder about the reasoning behind it, and almost look and wonder about the artist themselves. Love to look into multiple different artists. I love to see the different avenues and the different aspects that they take. Previously, I've looked into artists such as Otto Dix. His work can be quite dark and almost grotesque, but I like the way that he expresses his pieces. I like the idea that a darker piece kind of would hold your attention a bit more, and his work has definitely led me down the path that he's gone for a lot of my pieces. So my experience at studying at East Sussex College in Lewes has been great. It's been such a change from secondary school. It's a whole new step from what I've been taught before, and I believe that without it I wouldn't have the skills to go ahead and in the places that I want to go. The opportunities I've been provided are next level. I've been able to exhibit in 2 galleries in just 1 year, which has been great. One up in New Haven for a young artist call. And I think that without coming here, I wouldn't be able to realise that I could achieve those opportunities. I could put my work in a gallery. And this is what has taught me most, that to be proud of my own work and to be proud of my own process. When it comes to drawing and design, I think mainly from most things in general around me. I absolutely loved to read as a child, and when I read, I used to almost, it's like watching a film in my mind while I was reading, which was kind of a design aspect in itself. It was kind of like just looking at words on a page and automatically seeing images in my head. And so I would imagine the characters, I would imagine bits and bobs like that. I think if something has a meaning, if something has a hidden message, it's almost like a puzzle that is waiting to be solved, which I enjoy doing with my own work, and hopefully people can receive it that way.